EBASE is celebrating 12 years of building power with workers and communities. As an alliance among community, faith, and labor, we have built powerful bridges between truck drivers and environmentalists, congregants and immigrants, and residents and workers. We are proud to have concretely improved the lives of over 20,000 people. EBASE has passed 7 living wage policies affecting 2,000 workers. Emeryville's hotel living wage generated $1.2 million in wage increases for over 100 hotel workers, and also reduced back-breaking workloads and increased health and safety standards. EBASE has connected 1,000 local residents to family-sustaining construction careers. The Port of Oakland's Maritime and Aviation Project Labor Agreement, or MAPLA, has been a model inspiring other local hiring policies around the country. EBASE and our Interfaith Committee for Worker Justice have provided critical support and solidarity to campaigns which have helped 17,000 workers gain a stronger voice on the job. The Interfaith Committee supported 1,000 service workers at the UC Berkeley campus who were struggling to make ends meet. The workers in UC agreed to establish a statewide minimum wage and a ladder for low-wage workers to stay out of poverty. Today, EBASE is building a just economy in the East Bay based on good jobs and healthy communities. When we asked our allies what we do best, they said we play a key role in the movement bridging community and labor issues. They said we bring a critical piece to immigrant rights work by involving clergy and lay leaders and drawing attention to specific workplace issues for immigrants. They said our strengths are coalition building and translating research and policy into organizing. Today, EBASE is campaigning to transform the Port of Oakland to make it a catalyst for good jobs and a clean, sustainable environment. We know the port is an economic driver for the region by moving all the consumer goods that we use, but whether the port's activities benefit communities, workers, and the environment is up to us to make happen.
I've been a truck driver for the Port of Oakland for the past 20 years. I make between $4 and $6 an hour, $504 after expenses for a whole month. The companies that we work for pretend that we are businessmen instead of workers. We are employees with no rights. It's impossible to keep feeding our families. It's time to stop denying us our rights as employees.
With the Coalition for Clean and Safe Ports, we are organizing truck drivers to end their sweatshop conditions and gain full employee rights. We are also working in coalition with environmentalists and public health advocates to clean up the diesel pollution that is poisoning our communities. With Revive Oakland, we are organizing youth, residents, workers, and faith leaders to win a community contract for the old Army base that will guarantee accessible and family-supporting jobs and training and hiring for local residents.
With the Oakland Army base, we can create thousands of jobs, which will help young people and adults because the whole community really needs it. And having good jobs really is the biggest part of stopping violence. To me, it's like there's no other way around it because if everybody had a job, had something to do, then there would be no time to get in trouble.
The Interfaith Committee for Worker Justice, or ICWJ, is a network of people of faith which educates and inspires the religious community to support workers' quest for justice. ICWJ is also deepening the alliances among faith leaders in the African American, Latino, and Asian Pacific American communities. ICWJ is raising a moral voice for immigrants and standing in solidarity with domestic workers, hospitality workers, and port truck drivers. EBASE is a proud partner of Oakland Rising, a multilingual, multiracial collaborative that educates and mobilizes voters in the Oakland Flatlands to speak up for and take charge of the issues impacting our lives. When EBASE is successful in 5 years, we will celebrate because we impacted over 10,000 people with good, family-supporting jobs in the East Bay. We will live healthier and safer lives. We will engage 100 organizations in our campaigns and projects as coalition partners and endorsers, including groups working on environmental justice, public health, immigrant rights, job training, youth empowerment, and the rights of formerly incarcerated people. We will deepen alliances among diverse faith leaders and engage thousands of people of faith in our work. We will educate and mobilize thousands of Oakland voters. And EBASE as an organization will stay strong, winning our campaigns and nurturing a community of leaders that will continue building the movement for the long haul.